So here I can control C to clean everything. Alright, so let's come here and we have stack, we have everything right. Then let me say npm start. Then I wait for it for a few minutes. Alright, now it has been run, it has been reviewed again. So it's not a must now you say restart because already you can go to this link and follow it. Then we allow it run. So close this. Close this. And now you can see we have home and we have index. So this home and index can come right here to show you where they are. So this is the index, and within the index we have the text, which is home. So in this one, safe area is like a div in the web development, and the text, any text should be inside the text. Okay, so that is what it meant when you run this. But when you look at this stack that we have just made, it is supposed to hide. It is supposed to hide. Let me see. It is. It is supposed to hide this index. This index, it is not necessary. So now should be shown here. So how do we hide this image? It is simple. Just come here, and in the stack, we make a screen stack. Screen dot, let me say stack dot screen, like that. Let me not use this one. Let me use this one over like this. I close it, save, and then what next we can do is to give it a name. So name, we can give it name. Name is index, right? It's over here. It is this index, and it is actually the index of the everything. It's like home where everything goes first. Okay,